Let me stop. Hey, let me stop. What? So guys, generally what I do. So first of all, wash your face. Brush your teeth. You know. And then I like to put some coconut oil. A little bit of coconut oil. This is the one I use. I generally just use any brand as long as it's virgin. I don't really care. My face is so dry right now because I washed my face, right? And then I wanted to show you guys how I actually moisturize, but I was waiting for my camera battery to charge. And my face is like stiff as fuck. So I put the coconut oil on. I already put some on. Can't really tell, but I put some on. And then every single day, in the morning only. No, every time I wash my face, so morning and night, I use this. The brand is called The Ordinary. I'm gonna zoom in right there. The Ordinary. And this is plant-derived squalene, 100%. Basically for surface hydration. So coconut oil for me penetrates and goes in. Then I top it up with some of this. So what I do is I know I have to use like 3. If my face is really dry, I normally use like 4. Summertime I use like 2 to 3. Wintertime about 3 to 4. My forehead is so dry, y'all. Oh my god. I just got eczema on my forehead. There we go. So next, you already know with the Fenty, you already know. This is a concealer though. So that's what I normally use. And the shade I have is 360. So I don't do this every single day, trust me, because I'm in school, I'm at work. I can't do this every day. But when I like care and I'm going out, I put a little bit, not gonna lie. So I normally just start with like 3. Listen, I'm not the best at this. And then I take like 2. Sometimes I just add some more after, but this is normally what I start. And then I use this little blender spongy, and then I use, this is rose water. I mean, this is a little bit of water and Witch-hazel, so I kind of just diluted it, and I just kind of spray. I just kind of spray it. I kind of oversprayed it, so I'm gonna use my finger first. That's normally what I do, is I use my finger first. Because apparently it like warms up the product and like settles in your skin better. Sorry. So now I'm gonna use this brush or sponge, whatever. And I think it's alright because yeah, this is not what I do. So what's up? What's up in the world? Oh, I have something to talk about. Anyone who watches You here, I don't like it now. I'm very angry with the finale of season 2. Like, who is Love? I hated her from day one. I was like, why is she so needy and bag? I don't like her. Yeah, who else likes her? Or doesn't like her? We could talk about it. But yeah, it's what I do. I'm nervous, y'all, because I'm not talking so much, but I need to start talking. So but yeah, okay, I'm always nervous I don't blend it in enough, so this is it. Okay, I'm done. I'm gonna stop. I'm gonna stop right now. I'm gonna stop. Okay. We're getting somewhere. Next, I like to put a little bit of mascara. So I'm gonna put a little bit of this. Oh yeah, I can tell you guys which one it is. This is, I stole this from my sister, yo, but I always wear it. I need to like go to the store and actually have a goal to go get mascara. I just forget, so I just be using hers. But this is the Tarte Lights Camera Flashes. I just like to put a little bit, especially on the ends. Not too much because then it gets clumpy. And then once it gets clumpy, it's like you can't even stop. Like, you can't even rewind time. Whoops. See how I be acting, y'all? I'm not perfect at okay. What kind of look is that, Janae? Who else make ugly faces? You guys put on something like on your edges and you just be like, yeah, I don't really like touch the bottom. Okay, I'm gonna stop because as soon as I get comfortable and keep going, it's just gonna be a mess. Okay. This is hard. Save the best for last. Lips. I love to do lips. I love it. So I have steps to this and I kind of just wing it. Like, I don't really know what I'm doing. I just kind of do however I feel. So first and foremost, you want to moisturize your lips. Like, you can use lip balm or Vaseline. I like Blistex, but I don't have it on me right now, so I'm gonna just use coconut oil. Again, I'm jealous of those people who like lick their lips all day and it looks like they have no dry lips. I'm like, if I lick my lips once, great. Like, I can't even do that. Like, I wish. Like, those guys who'd be like, and their lips don't even get gray after. Like, mine will, if I have a set, look, it's gonna be gray. So yeah. So I like to use NYX for lips. Like, their butter glosses or clear lip gloss. These are the ones that I like. And NYX, the lip pencil. This is the color Cappuccino. So I always get Cappuccino in the lip liner. The butter gloss, I like Madeline. No, I can't see. Come on. Come on. Okay, Madeline. You all see that? It's Madeline. Okay. And then this one is Ginger Snap. I haven't used this one in a while, but I really like it. This is the Ginger Snap one. I like this one. So I like to like just play with it, kind of. I like to just do the edge a little bit at a time. Don't overdo it at once because sometimes you can't go back. You have to like take everything off. It's just like time consuming and we got stuff to do. I'm sick. And then I get a little bit on your bottom like this. I never put it on perfect. Like, I'm not one of those people who like the perfect lip liner. I just like to give it a bit of color. Next, I'm gonna use, I don't know if I should use Madeline or Ginger Snap because Madeline is more pinky. And then sometimes I feel like it's too pink. For sometimes, all the time. And Ginger Snap's a bit brown. So I'm gonna start with the Madeline, the lighter one, which is like more pinky, brownie-ish. I'm gonna put that on because I always do this. So, put this on. I feel like y'all can't even see. And then I'm gonna use a bit of Ginger Snap and a little bit because it's darker. I don't want to look crazy. Okay, let's go. Should I just go in? No, let me calm down. This is like how I normally like to look. Like Aaliyah. Rock the boat, just rock the... I'm going back in with Madeline, by the way, because I feel like it's a bit strong. Like, depending on how I feel that day, like if I'm just going to the store or like, not really the store, because I don't really do anything to the store, but if I go like the mall, sometimes I feel to go bold, sometimes I feel like don't look at me. So I like to just mix it and however how I feel. I like this one. I like it. And I'm gonna be extra for one last time just for y'all. And I'm gonna just Witch-hazel. Ooh, yeah. Woo! I like looking like shiny. Woo! I like looking shiny. This is how I get ready, guys. So I wanted to share this with you. Let me know if you guys have tips for me on like other products to use, or what you guys think I should do to get a better result, because I'm always trying to grow. Like, don't think you guys can't talk to me. Like, if you see me do something crazy, please let me know. I need tips anyway. We all do. We all need to grow. So let me know. Any questions? Boom. You don't even need to like. Are you done? So yeah, I like this. This is how I get ready when I'm like going out somewhere. No, I don't. Okay, so I'm gonna be honest about my hair. My braids need to be redone. So I have this little headband bandana situation. I'll shut up now. I'll see you guys in the next video.